Most people today are disconnected from life itself, and they don't even realize it. Hi, I'm Shirley from Axiom. I'm not here to be your guru. I'm not here to tell you what to believe. Anything I share with you only becomes true when you test it and apply it for yourself. In the last video, we spoke about the world and the key idea. You don't need to carry everything. You need to understand your position in it. Now today, we shift again, but this time we go somewhere most people completely overlook. The fifth dynamic, life itself, not just people, not just society, life, animals, plants, nature, living systems. And this is where it gets interesting, because this dynamic is much bigger than most people realize. The first dynamic is you, your survival, your body, your mind. The fifth dynamic is life as a whole, all living things, and your relationship to them. Your pets, your garden, the natural world around you. This also includes your own body, which is a living organism, and how you participate in it. Because you are not just someone living in life, you are part of life, contributing to it or withdrawing from it. Now, before you switch off, thinking this doesn't apply to you, let me say this clearly. If this dynamic is off, everything else in your life gets harder. Everything. Because here's the truth. You are not separate from life. You are part of it. And when you disconnect from it, you just don't feel it. Your whole system starts to degrade quietly. Let's make this real. Look at how most people live today. Indoors, screens, artificial environments, minimal contact with anything alive. No real connection to nature, no interaction with living systems. And then they ask, why am I tired? Why can't I focus? Why do I feel flat? That's not random, that's disconnection from life. Have you ever noticed you can sit inside all day, scrolling, thinking, and by the end of the day, you feel exhausted. But you didn't actually do anything real. That's disconnection from life. Because the fifth dynamic is not abstract. It's physical, it's alive, and your body, which is part of living things, participates in the fifth dynamic, whether you like it or not. You are not built to sit still all day, to stare at screens constantly, to live in an artificial environment from morning to night. But that's exactly what most people are doing. And the result? Low energy, poor focus, emotional instability. And then they try to fix it with motivation, with productivity hacks, with more stimulation, but they're fixing the wrong layer. Because this is not a mindset problem, it's a disconnection from life itself. Let's go deeper. The fifth dynamic includes nature, food, movement, environment, living systems. And when these are off, you feel it. Bad input, low output. But that's only one part of this dynamic. The deeper part is this. Are you connected to life beyond yourself? Or are you living in a completely artificial spiral? Because the fifth dynamic is not passive, it's participative. Life responds to interaction. If you don't engage with it, it stops feeding you. Now here's the part people don't like. You can't think your way out of this. You have to change how you live and how you engage with life itself. Because your system responds to life. Now reverse it. Someone who is connected to this dynamic, they move, they get sunlight, they eat properly, but also they engage with life. They care for something. They grow something. They interact with real environments, and suddenly energy changes, focus improves, stability increases. Same person, different level of connection, different results. And this affects everything. Your first dynamic improves, your relationships improve, your ability to function in groups improves. Why? Because your baseline is different. And this is the key point. If your connection to life is weak, every other dynamic becomes harder. So you keep trying to fix your life without being connected to life. That doesn't work. Now bring this back to you. You want clarity. Look at your environment. You want energy. Look at how you're living. You want stability. Look at your connection to life beyond yourself. Because this dynamic feeds all the others. With education, you start noticing your habits. How disconnected you've become, how little interaction you have with anything alive. And you can start adjusting. Not perfectly, but deliberately. You fix it by reconnecting to life itself. Which is why in the near future I'll be releasing a course that helps you stabilize your foundation across these areas. So your energy, focus, and direction actually work. And for those of you who want something more direct, there will also be an option for personal consulting. But for now, let's bring this back to you. Here's the real question. Are you participating in life, or are you just existing around it? Be honest. So here's your challenge. Do one thing today that connects you to something alive. Not a screen, not a system, something real. Go outside, interact, care for something, grow something. Not theory, participation. Because one truth understood and applied can change your life. If this made sense, subscribe, comment, like, and hit the notifications bell. Because in the next video, we're going into the sixth dynamic, the physical universe, matter, energy, time, and space, and how these are shaping your life, whether you understand them or not.